Once upon a time, in a small town nestled amidst lush green hills, there lived a young boy named Alex. He was adventurous and always yearned for exciting experiences. One summer day, Alex decided to embark on an unforgettable journey into the nearby jungle. Equipped with a sturdy backpack filled with essential supplies like food, water, a compass, and a map, Alex stepped into the dense forest. The jungle welcomed him with its symphony of chirping birds, rustling leaves, and whispers of the wind. The vibrant flora and exotic creatures fascinated Alex, and he ventured deeper, his curiosity leading the way. As he ventured further into the wilderness, Alex's excitement overpowered his rationality, and he lost track of time and direction. The thick foliage obscured his view, and the once familiar sounds of the town became distant echoes. Panic crept into his heart as he realized he was lost in the vast jungle. Alone and unsure of which way to go, Alex tried to retrace his steps, but every path seemed unfamiliar. Fear gripped him as the darkness of night descended, and the eerie sounds of nocturnal animals filled the air. Exhausted, Alex sought refuge by a towering tree, hoping for a glimmer of hope to guide him back home. Suddenly, a soft glow emanated from a distance. Intrigued, Alex followed the light, stumbling upon a small clearing where a campfire flickered. Surrounding the fire were a group of indigenous people, the caretakers of the jungle. They warmly welcomed Alex and sensed his distress. The tribe's leader, an elderly man named kahaniyan, listened attentively to Alex's tale. Understanding the boy's predicament, he assured him that they would help him find his way back home. The tribe shared their knowledge of the jungle, teaching Alex how to identify edible fruits, navigate by the stars, and understand the behavior of animals. Days turned into weeks as Alex immersed himself in the wisdom of the tribe. He learned to respect nature, appreciating the delicate balance of life within the jungle. Guided by kahaniyan and his people, Alex began to understand the intricate network of paths that crisscross the forest. One sunny morning, with a heavy heart, Alex bid farewell to the tribe that had become his second family. Armed with newfound knowledge and a renewed sense of adventure, he embarked on his journey back to town. His heart was filled with gratitude for the lessons learned and the bonds forged. As Alex emerged from the jungle, he was welcomed by the familiar sights and sounds of his town. He realized how much he had grown during his time in the jungle and how his newfound wisdom would forever guide his actions. From that day forward, Alex became a champion of the environment, sharing his experiences and advocating for the protection of nature. His journey through the jungle had transformed him into a brave young man, teaching him not only the importance of finding one's way but also the significance of preserving the treasures of the wild. And so, Alex's story spread far and wide, inspiring others to explore, respect, and protect the wonders of the natural world, just as he had learned from the tribe that had saved him in the heart of the jungle.